How to log in to CIBC Mobile Banking. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I will show you how to log in to your CIBC Mobile Banking account. So now without further ado, let's get started. So here, first thing first, open the CIBC Mobile Banking app on your phone. And now here, once you have opened the app, then you'll be prompted to the login screen. Now here, what you have to do is you just have to tap on sign on, and now on the next section on the login screen you simply have to enter your card number and the password. And now here, once you're done entering it, you can just tap on sign on, and once you do that, you'll be logged in to your account. And here, if you're having trouble logging in, then you can just tap on reset password and follow the on-screen prompts to recover your account. And that's it. With this, if you found this video helpful, then don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to get updated for more videos. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.